Owens. I'm Interim Dean of Arts and Humanities and also the Director of the Honors Program. Well, in some respects, our departments were very fortunate. We're very glad that it was spring break and the students and the faculty were gone for the most part. Stone Center, which houses English and drama and history, had very little damage, so we're very glad of that. Mason Hall, where our music department is, we're still assessing the damage there. We did have some damage at the Honors House that we are assessing, but overall we feel good about things moving forward, and we're going to do whatever we need to do to make sure that the needs of our students are served, and the faculty as well, faculty and staff who all help with those departments. We've got some wonderful faculty and staff who've been working hard and working with our students.
How long have you worked in JSU?
20 years.
Did you ever think you'd see anything like this in your lifetime?
No, never, and I think most of us never contemplated what it would be like to lose some or all of your materials 4 weeks before a semester's over. So it calls for a response to some challenges. Yes, we've reached out to them. We had encouraged the faculty to go ahead and reach out to the students, and we've heard back from a number of them to say, hey, we're okay, thanks for checking on us. And some of them had indicated, you know, I lost everything but my car, what do I do now? So we are working one-on-one with all those students, and we want them to continue to reach out to us. But we also want everybody to know that we had some faculty and staff who suffered some loss, and so if they've not heard from their faculty member, it may be because the faculty member doesn't have access to internet right now.
So talk about some of your faculty and staff that lost their houses.
Well, most of them were fortunate for the most part. Some of them have their power back on. Their houses are still, you can still live in them, but they had, say, a tree that fell on the carport or something of that nature. But the faculty have responded, and the staff, that people came into their areas regularly checking on them to see what they need, bring them food. So it's just been a tremendous response. And then the faculty and staff have responded to help the others around in the community that need some help, that need limbs cut, that need some groceries.
We've had a lot of JSU people working to help people outside the university.
That's right. And we also sent an email to our honors program about the service opportunities. I know a number of them went over to Kettystone to help paint that, to get it ready for the School of Business and Industry to move in. So this has presented a lot of opportunities for people to demonstrate their volunteerism. I'm Dr. Lori Owens, Interim Dean of Arts and Humanities and Director of the Honors Program, and we are JSU Strong.